All right, so this is an interesting transition, but this is literally the best hamstring massage that you can ever give anyone. And it is called Yanaka, and Yanaka literally means using foot pressure in order to create technique. Now, this is what I'm showing you is the traditional way to get into Yanaka. If you are trying this a few times and it's not working for you, I'll show you the alternative. I'm going to slide my foot underneath the knee. The knee is going to bend. The knee comes out to the side. I pull the foot in and I have her locked in here. Notice my foot is supporting the top of her leg, and then I just gently use the arch of my foot to push directly in towards the thigh bone. Now sometimes what I see people do is like rolling. Sometimes I'll do that if I feel a knot in the person's hamstring, but even if you just do like a nice gentle pressure, and the pressure actually, it can come from the leg, but if it comes from the body, it feels different. It feels more solid, more secure, a little bit slower, and sometimes we find all the good things. All right, we're gonna get you guys into this, but I wanna show you a couple of other things first.
While you're on this one, if you have a treatment table and you know you can't be on the floor with your client, is there a way to do this?
Yes, there is. Sometimes I use the hands and sometimes I use the foot. It kind of depends on how wide the table is and how big the client is. Yeah. Then the next step is to use both feet. And you want to go as close to where the leg meets the torso as possible. And see how now I'm kind of rolling from the heel side of my arch up to the ball of the foot side of the arch. I could do it that way, or I can just do a gentle pressure without the rolling of the ankle. Okay?
And your left hand is where around that ankle?
My left hand is supporting the foot so I don't push the leg too far up. Then the next step, and this is for people who have flexible knees, flexible legs, I'll move into a tree pose. And I can just stay here for a moment, let the body acclimate, add in some gentle topotement. Sometimes if I notice something's a little bit tight, like they're limited, I'll go in, I'll use my hands, my thumbs in order to work the lines. And then one really nice thing to get directly at the top of the quad, I make hooking fingers, push in, and lift. Huh?
That tickles.
It tickles? Okay, okay.
Maybe just do it harder.
Well, tickle usually means that there's something in there that needs to be released. Okay? Some people laugh. Some people will go, ow! But yeah, right there is where I feel a lot of tension. Yeah. Yep. And that's all right. It's okay. And so I can use deep hooking fingers and pull, right? But when a partner or a client has a reaction like that, it doesn't mean I want to push harder. I just want to be a little bit more sensitive. and then I can start going in. Yeah. So what can happen is, like right now I'm going in between the fascia, right? So we're moving your fascia. Your quads are going to work so good after this.
Feel it.
Yeah. Yeah. So when something like this happens, what it means is that you can have, so there's 4 muscles of the quads, right? That's why they're called the quadriceps. And when there's a lot of pain along one of the lines, it usually means that multiple of the quads are actually working together as a single unit rather than working together, rather than working independently. Yeah, and it's all right. Then I do something nice. And if a person's really out of it, they're just like, oh, I don't know what, my brain doesn't know what to do with that. And then we'll just be like, okay, I'm just supposed to relax. Like there's nothing I am supposed to do with that except experience it, right? So then the easiest way to get out of this pose, I move out until they're like just relaxes on the floor.